See students, this is the new problem for us based on capacitors combinations only. So how we are getting the result for this solution once we will check it now. So what is the question given here means three uncharged capacitors of capacities C1, C2 and C3 are connected as shown in the figure. So here one figure clearly given. So in the figure to one of other and the point A, B and C are the potentials are having potentials V1, V2 and V3 respectively. Then potential at O will be. So that is the question here. Four options is given. So here we want to find out potential. So just I am rearranging this diagram here. At A potential is V1 is given. At B potential is V2 is given. At C potential V3 is given. So here expecting V naught value is equal to how much at O. So that is the question for us. For example, here I am guessing one thing. For example, some charges is coming here to here. The charges along C1 I am representing as C1. Okay, Q1 I am representing along C1. Q1 charges is coming. Here at node O, here two roots is present. So for example, here some charges along capacitor C2 that charges magnitude is Q2 is going like that, and along this C3 capacitance that Q3 amount of charges is flowing like this. So from this thing we are concluding here V1 to V0 coming. So compulsory here what's the thing is happen V1 is greater than V0 one notation you may guess it. So here V0 to V2 coming. So V0 is greater than V2 we are guessing. So here to here okay charges are coming means here also we are guessing V0 is greater than V3 like this. See students here by conservation of charges are the things at node O. What is the thing here at node O I am representing like this. Q1 is equal to Q2 plus Q3. Okay, here charges total charges is conserved. Okay, based on that conditions Q1 is equal to Q2 plus Q3. So in roughly I am mentioning by capacitance concept we have C is equal to Q by V or Q is equal to C into V. So this is one fundamental formula we have. So along here C1 capacitance Q1 charge is flowing means here instead of Q1 I am representing here as Q1 is equal to C1 into here which one is greater V1 is greater than V0 is greater okay thing. So here V1 minus V0 I am choosing is equal to along Q2 similarly we can represent C2 into here which one is greater V0 is greater. So V0 minus V2 plus along Q3 the thing is we are representing here as this is C3 into V0 minus V3. So this is the one step we are observed. So here students just expand this one simply. Here we are getting C1 V1 minus C1 V0 is equal to C2 V0 minus C2 V2 plus C3 V0 minus C3 V3. Okay, so now all V0s brings one side, then remaining terms we will bring one side. Here C1 V1 is positive as it is we are represented. This side minus C2 V2 is there, so we are bringing this side means this one is becomes C2 V2. Here minus C3 V3 is present here. If suppose we are bringing this side means that is becomes plus C3 V3 is equal to here minus C1 V0 is present. So I am carrying this side. Now this one is written as C1 V0. Here already plus C2 V0 is present. Here C3 V0 is also present like that. So now next further step we will represent as C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 is equal to here V0 is common, so here we will represent C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore now we will represent V0 value is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 divided by here C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is potential at O. So from options which one is the right answer? Here this is the final answer we are observed. So this one is we are observed in which option? In first option we are observed the thing, that is v1 c1 plus v2 c2 plus v3 c3 divided by c1 plus c2 plus c3 is both the same. So this is the option for this question. Okay students, so one more problem also now we will start it. See students, this is one more problem. Actually this is in page number 479 in our prescribed material given. So this is actually question number 24 in that material only. So this is also very important model for you. So how to get this one solution, now we will check it. So how the question is given here: a capacitor is made of a flat plate of area A and second plate having a stair-like structure as shown in figure. The width of each plate is A and height is B. The capacitance of the capacitor is. See here, this is one flat area is given. So remaining thing is, this is the first plate we are calling and this one is second plate we are calling. So first plate is clearly flat conditions is present, but in second plate is in a staircase structure it is present. So but here different values is also mentioned. So here A is given, A is given, A is given, here 3A is given. From problem, from given conditions, what is the thing given condition? Here area, total area is equivalent to 3A. From that one I am taking small a is equal to A by 3. A by 3 we are representing. See students, just here this part is behaves as one capacitor, this part is behaves as another capacitor, and this part is acts as another capacitor. Let I am taking this one is a C1 capacitor, this is C2 capacitor and C3 capacitor. Here by parallel plate capacitors, concepts, we know C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So here C1 value is equal to epsilon naught small a divided by, here how much distance is present? D distance is present, and C2 value is equal to, we will get as epsilon naught A by, here D is present, here B is present, so I am writing this one as B plus D, and we are getting C3 value is equal to epsilon naught A divided by, here B, here B, here D. So that is 2B plus D is present. So these three are in which combination now? Parallel combination. So Cp value is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So Cp is equal to epsilon naught A by D plus epsilon naught A by B plus D plus epsilon naught A by 2B plus D. So here the common is Cp is equal to epsilon naught A into 1 by D plus 1 by B plus D plus 1 by 2B plus D. So now the thing here, epsilon naught, instead of small a I am representing capital A by 3. So now LCM is D into B plus D into 2B plus D. Here we are getting conditions here in numerator. Here by taking LCMs, this one is B plus D into 2B plus D. Here D into 2B plus D. Here the thing is D into B plus D. This is the thing. So now one more step, here we are representing Cp value is equal to epsilon naught A by 3 into, in denominator LCM is D into B plus D. This is 2B plus D. So on expanding these things, we are getting as 2B square plus BD plus 2BD plus D square plus 2BD plus D square plus DB plus D square. So on simplification we are getting Cp value is equal to epsilon naught A by 3D into B plus D into 2B plus D. Here in numerator we are getting as, that is the condition as 3D square plus 6BD plus 2B square. So this is the notation we are getting. So which relation we are getting here? From options, this one is, second option is the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, so in next class we will go for energy stored in a capacitor's concepts we will discuss. Okay students, thank you.